Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the Touch N Go e-wallet app and signing in. Verify your identity so card functions unlock. Once done, add funds using card or bank transfer so you can pay on first use. Make sure the app has permission to use NFC and background app refresh so the phone can communicate at the gate. If your model supports wallet integration, prepare to add or link the Touch N Go account to wallet for faster taps. Next, link the e-wallet account to your iPhone wallet or enable in-app NFC payments. This step makes the system show as a payment option. Then choose Touch N Go as your express transit card and wallet so you won't need Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode when tapping. After configuration, perform a low-value test tap at a gate or terminal to confirm the phone presents the card reliably. If it succeeds, you've completed. When using, hold the top edge of your iPhone near the reader and keep it steady until you hear the beep or see confirmation. Quick flicks sometimes miss the NFC field. Make sure to check your e-wallet balance after trips and enable auto top-up to avoid declined entries. If a tap fails, reboot the phone, reopen the Touch N Go app, and confirm NFC permissions. Most issues clear after a restart. If problems persist, try a second test tap or use your physical card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.